Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to fix whenever there's holes in your shoes from doing kick flips or whatever tricks you rip holes in your shoes from. But first you're going to need this stuff. It's a shoe glue. It's probably like $5 or $6. You can find it at probably at like a local skate shop. Mine has it. Or you can just get it like Walmart or something like that. Then you're gonna need some paper towels or napkins or Kleenex or whatever. And you can do this to put the shoe glue on your laces to keep them from ripping. I would have done that except I didn't have any shoe glue, so I put wood glue on my laces. Yeah. But first what you're gonna do is you're going to take out the insole. If it's removable, don't try to take it off if you don't think that it's removable, because I tried that with these and I accidentally tore it in half. And then you're going to take the napkins or paper towels and you're going to put them inside the shoe so the shoe glue doesn't leak inside whenever you put it on. And just stuff it in there. And also, whenever you have a shoe that's triple stitched on the toe cap, you can just put it on the stitches to keep them from ripping, because that'll make it last a lot longer. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take the shoe glue and you're just going to put it on where it's ripped. Just like there. And put on as much as you think that you need. Or more. I normally put on more, just to be sure that it doesn't rip again within like the next couple of days. And then, once you have it on, make sure that doesn't drip, first of all. And then the next thing that you're going to need is some ice. Alright, so, it dripped. Darn it. But I got the ice. Okay, stop it, shoe glue. I got the ice, and what you're going to do with that is use it to spread the shoe glue and smooth it out. You need to use ice because it's better to use ice. You can use your finger, but it's better to use ice because it won't stick to anything. The ice won't stick to the shoe glue. And, yeah. So, just use the ice to smooth it out. And, I'm going to try to get this little stringy thing off. There we go. And make it smooth and round so it doesn't like stick out a lot. Try to make it as smooth as you can. And you can put on more. I like to put on thick layers of it so it will last longer. And yeah, I know I've been sitting in silence, not saying anything for most of this video, but this is just showing you how to do this. And this will probably make, depending on how you skate, it'll make your shoes last maybe another couple of weeks. And also you can put it on the ollie area to make that last longer. Oh my god. Just, dang it. But yeah. And you know what? I'm just gonna go get a new piece of ice. Alright, I got another piece of ice. You don't even have to keep watching the video. It's just gonna be me smoothing it out. But you probably want to wait probably like 12 hours. I wait normally like 10 or 8. I don't know. You're gonna want to wait some time because it's a goo whenever you first put it on, and then it hardens. And you can put it on the sole too to patch up holes in your grip. I am dropping this thing. I'm an idiot. How many times have I dropped this thing? Like 5? 5 times I've dropped this. And yeah, try to get it to look pretty smooth. And end result will probably, it'll be hard, and won't have holes in your shoes, and we'll probably get them to last another couple of weeks. So yeah.